On April 2nd, 2022, I created this channel, and I created it with so much doubt, right? I had doubts within me. I have done a couple of research, right, around how YouTube channel works, but then I was still a bit scared and I still had my doubts. But then on April 7th, 2022, just 5 days after I created this channel, I dropped my first YouTube video. Still scared. And now, after 2 years of putting out really amazing content, putting out valuable content, and even getting you to really learn from some of these videos that I've been dropping, I'm happy to announce that we've crossed the 10,000 milestone on YouTube. And this feels surreal. It feels surreal because I did not see this coming. Honestly, I knew that eventually we were going to get there, but I didn't know that it was going to be that fast when I started out. I mean, I just kept putting out valuable content, and now we are here. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Thank you for being a part of this growth. Thank you for being a part of this milestone. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for liking the videos. By the way, if you have not liked this video yet, just do that now. Thank you for liking the videos, and thank you for being a part of this family. I do not take it all for granted, and this milestone is only possible because of your contribution. By the way, if this is the first time you will be watching my videos, if this is your first time on this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button right now, and do well to also smash the like button and join the family, right? By the way, my name is Inulu Ambolondoro. I know you already know me as Iniski, and I am the face behind the videos that you have been watching, the tutorials that you've been learning from, the design videos that you've been getting value from. This is the face behind those that voice. This is the face behind those videos, and it's been a privilege, right? I mean, I've been getting a lot of testimonials, a lot of reviews, people reaching out to me telling me that, oh, I watched your tutorials, your tutorial helped me to achieve this, I was able to learn this, even for your videos, this and this and this and this and that, right? Thank you for watching the videos, and it's a pleasure putting out this content and just putting out these valuable videos and getting you to really learn from them. And going forward, you are going to be seeing my face a lot more on this channel, and I'm happy about this development because it will give me the opportunity to really be able to touch on topics within and outside design that I've been really passionate about, and I mean, content and videos that I know are also going to greatly help you, greatly build you, right? Because this channel is about building you, it's about equipping you, it's about giving you the relevant knowledge you need to know. For example, as studying design, I realized that a lot of designers actually struggle with the with understanding why, even with the level of mastery they've been able to attain in their skill, they still struggle to get clients. And so I'll be touching on that, releasing videos talking about how to get clients, and also touch on different subjects even outside of design that are eventually going to build you. Once again, thank you for being a part of this journey. I'm so excited that we've gotten here, and I mean, this just shows that there is no end to our increase. This channel will only keep getting bigger, and better, and I look forward to us crossing 100,000 subscribers. I mean, I really look forward to that, because if it's possible that we grew from 0 to 10,000, then it means that we can also, and we will also grow from 10,000 subscribers to 100,000 subscribers. And trust me, I look forward to that. But before then, ensure that you still stick around and watch the videos, because it's about to get really intense on this channel, and you're about to begin to get new level of content that are going to completely change you. Thank you for watching these videos. If you've not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know right? And also share these videos put them out, and let people learn from them, let people get value from them too. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.